The 2022 South Australian state election was held on 19 March 2022 to elect members to the 55th Parliament of South Australia. All 47 seats in the House of Assembly and half the seats in the Legislative Council were vacant. The one-term incumbent minority Liberal government, led by Premier Stephen Marshall, was defeated by the opposition Labor Party, led by opposition leader Peter Malinauskas. Marshall conceded to Malinauskas about 3 hours after the polls closed. With counting still ongoing, Labor is on track to win 28 seats in the lower house, while the Liberals are expected to drop to 14 seats and the remaining 5 seats are likely to be won by independents. Like federal elections, South Australia has compulsory voting, uses full preference instant runoff voting for single-member electorates in the lower house, and optional preference single transferable voting in the proportionally represented upper house. The election was conducted by the Electoral Commission of South Australia, an independent body answerable to Parliament. Results are not final. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.